Hello, my name is Florian Bretner.
And my name is Xiaoyue Hu.
We are studying in the Master's degree of Architecture and will present you our semester project, which is a part of the course Design by Research of the Faculty of Architecture Info in cooperation with the Deutsche Bahn. For this project we designed a train station located in Neumünster, which we then evaluated using various methods employing VR and computer analysis tools to determine the quality of our design choices. For our concept of the train station we focused on connecting the 4 entrance points to the platform. We aligned the complex to the rail tracks and created a pedestrian zone in front of the train station. Afterwards, we sectioned the complex to create public spaces for the entrances and a small plaza. To emphasize on movement and the dynamic nature of the building, we changed the angle of the edges to create trapezoids. Finally, to draw further attention to the entrances, we raised the building height at the entrance points and left the other building complexes lower, so that a train can still be seen when arriving at the platform. We clustered the different functions of the station together and connected the complexes with a roof structure.
With the initial design complete, we focused on 5 aspects to test. To do this, we developed a variation of the test area and compared them to our design proposal. The test aspects are wayfinding to the hotel, quality of hotel place, entrance of manhole, tower height and shape, shop visibility, daylight provision.
We used certain methods to empirically test our design and its variations. For wayfinding, we mapped the participants' movement while they were given a task to find a certain location. To evaluate the perceived quality of a space, a questionnaire with adjective pairs were used, where the participant can rate their feelings. We also let the participant choose between a set of options to determine which they liked better. Finally, the participants were also asked to pick spots in the design they liked, which we then mapped to define areas of interest. We also used computational analysis tools like an isosphere study to evaluate the visibility of surfaces and a daylight study to find out how well lit certain areas are.
In the case of our wayfinding, we divided the participants into 2 groups. One group with a roof structure and a group without that. Participants were finding the hotel more easily without a roof structure.
To evaluate the quality of the hotel plaza, the participants were shown 3 shape variations. A convex shape was perceived as the most spacious, open and public. For the main hall, we asked the participants if they prefer a roof and how high it should be. As we expected, most preferred a high roof, with very few liking no roof at all.
Also, we want to see where users prefer to sit and wait. Results show that 39% of the users are willing to wait in the lobby, while 25% are willing to sit in the bakery. However, only 15% are willing to sit in the train lobby, suggesting that the waiting hall need to either be placed differently or need to have different special qualities.
To test the storefront, we used a computational analysis method. By using an isosphere study, we could evaluate how visible sections of the storefront are. We tested the facade from 4 different angles and tested 3 shapes and 3 facade variations. Contrary to our design decisions, a simple box shape is providing the best visibility results. For the roof structure, we chose a daylight illuminance study. We checked for different seasons how well the area beneath our roof is lit. For comparison, we tested 6 versions in total, with our proposal performing well in spring and autumn.
So to quickly summarize our results, we can see that it is easier to find a hotel without a roof. A cone-shaped place with some shelter by a roof structure is perceived as welcoming and pleasant. A square manhole and a high roof structure are the most popular. Irregular shapes for an office tower are preferred more than simple shapes and are chosen with more story levels than the simple shape option. A simple box shape has more potential to be seen than a trapezoid. Finally, the roof structure is providing shelter and is preferred by participants, but also limits lighting in the winter, and it's more costly, suggesting that the different variations should be developed. If you would like to know more about the project, you can take a look at our project documentation script or get in touch with Infa or our personally.